Hello and welcome to the Yafi Dreams channel. My name is Anna, this is Alex.
Hi.
Today we will be working on a new project in collaboration with AnimeDakimakurapillow.com. AnimeDakimakura Pillow is an international anime store. They offer a variety of products including anime pillows and accessories, hoodies, neon lamps, kimonos, mouse pads and figurines. We decided to stop on the kimonos. It was hard to choose from all of the available options because they are so pretty and the pattern is so beautiful, but we decided to go with the three. Our package arrived very fast, the customer service was great, and we were very happy to see that the kimonos looked exactly like the pictures on the website. The quality of the print is very good and the colors are vibrant. We need to style them for our photo shoot, so the first thing we got to do is to make a beautiful black dress to wear it under the robes. There is a beautiful Japanese garden about an hour away from our home, so we thought it would be a wonderful setting for our upcoming photo shoot. Now let's get to work. And while we work, you can check out AnimeDakimakurapillow.com website, use promo code ADP/Yafi to get a 10% off your order.